Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving over Mount Rossa. Mount Rossa is probably the most popular mountain on the north coast of Jamaica. We are driving through Yuaton, and this is where Mount Rossa starts. At the foot of Mount Rossa is the Yuaton district. It's a small district. So we're driving through the main road, and this will take us up into Mount Rossa. So we're going up Mount Rossa now, leaving the Yuaton area. And Mount Rossa takes us from, it actually starts in St. Catherine at Yuaton, and it goes over to St. Anne, takes us into St. Anne. You see, this is one of the main problems with Mount Rossa. When you are on this narrow road and you buck up those big trucks coming down, And sometimes when you have one of those long trucks going up and one coming down, they cannot pass. They block up the road and it takes forever because there's traffic behind both of them to clear it. It has happened so many times. That's why persons prefer to use the highway. Now, if you notice, the road has been widened at certain points. But unfortunately, they can't widen it at all the corners. Sure what this car is doing, but it shows a very bad road to try. I guess maybe they're turning around, but not sure why they would choose to do it at this point. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.